Welcome to Sugosha Defence News. Today's highlights: John Cockerill and Greenko to invest Rs 2,800 crores on their electrolyser manufacturing facility. Army Air Force signed MOU with Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya to enhance skills of armed forces personnel in logistics operations. Ministry of Defence signs 26,000 crore contract with HAL for 240 AL-31FP Aero Engines for Su-30 MKI aircraft. India-US joint military exercise YUDH Abhyas 24 commenced from 9th of September. Lockheed Martin catalyzes India's defense and aerospace manufacturing ecosystem with its 10th supplier conference. Nibe Limited forays into defense space to establish India's first multi-sensor all-weather Earth observation satellite constellation to strengthen defense and space capabilities. Pixxel becomes first Indian Spacetech startup to bag a contract from NASA. US and India partner to diversify global chip ecosystem, $500 million ITSI fund to support. Indian Navy launches 2 ships to boost anti-submarine warfare capability. Houthi rebels report shooting down second US MQ-9 Reaper drone over Marib province. Eyeing more special force business, General Dynamics Information Technology acquires AI tech firm Iron Eagle X. NASA and DARPA cooperate in the development of robots for satellite maintenance. Let's have a look at the news in detail. John Cockerill Group and Greenko Group have announced an investment of up to 2,800 crore rupees in an electrolyser manufacturing facility in Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh. This facility is poised to produce 2 gigawatts of electrolysers annually and serve as an export hub. In addition to electrolyser production, the venture aims to expand into the steel, energy, and defense sectors with plans to triple its workforce in the next 2 years. The companies have also secured incentives for their electrolyser production. With India's reliance on global markets for electrolysers for green hydrogen projects, initiatives like the one by Solar Energy Corporation of India to develop domestic manufacturing capacity are crucial for reducing production costs and fostering self-sustainability. John Cockerill envisions India becoming an export hub for electrolysers, with West Asia being a potential market. The company's expansion plans in India highlight the country's strategic importance in critical sectors. The investments are not only geared towards expanding steel operations but also aiding in the decarbonization efforts of industries such as steel. John Cockerill aims to bring technological advancements to support the net zero targets of steel giants in India. Indian Army and the Air Force signed an agreement with Vadodara-based Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya. The Defence Ministry said in a statement that Memorandum of Understanding will enable the two services to acquire higher expertise on logistics. It will ensure the development of in-house expertise on various facets of logistic operations and contribute effectively to the national development plans. The Ministry of Defence has signed a contract with Hindustan Aeronautics for 240 AL-31FP Aero Engines for Su-30 MKI aircraft at a cost of over Rs 26,000 crores. These aero engines will be manufactured by the Koraput division of HAL and are expected to fulfill the need of the Air Force to sustain the operational capability of the Su-30 fleet for the defense preparedness of the country. HAL would supply 30 aero engines per annum as per the contractual delivery schedule. The supply of all 240 engines would be completed over the period of next 8 years. During the manufacturing, HAL plans to take support from the country's defense manufacturing ecosystem involving MSMEs and public and private industries. The 20th edition of India-US Joint Military Exercise YUDH Abhyas 24 commenced on 9th of September at Foreign Training Node in Mahajan Field Firing Ranges, Rajasthan. The exercise is scheduled to be conducted from 9th to 22nd September 24. Exercise Yudh Abhyas has been held annually since 2004, alternating between India and the US. Lockheed Martin will be hosting the 10th edition of its India Suppliers Conference on September 11th and 12th, 2024 at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Bangalore. The conference will provide a platform to drive conversations around building indigenous defense industrial capabilities that integrate MSMEs and fuel Make in India partnerships for the future, with a special focus on innovative solutions to not just meet the needs of the Indian Armed Forces but also to feed into the global supply chain in line with the national priority to accelerate defense exports. The key highlights of the conference will include presentations by Lockheed Martin business area representatives, recognition of Indian suppliers for their outstanding contributions, in-person meetings with Lockheed Martin supply chain and business development team members, Indian MSMEs to showcase their portfolios and capabilities. Nibe Space Private Limited, a subsidiary of Nibe Limited, a pioneering name in manufacturing critical systems for the defense sector, announced its ambitious vision to establish India's first multi-sensor all-weather high revised Earth observation satellite constellation. With an aim to strengthen India's self-reliance in the strategically crucial defense space sector, NSPL signed MOUs and agreements for a consortium of key Indian and global partners including Larsen & Toubro, Centum, Agnikul, Skyroot, Spacefields, SISIR, Cryon, and Thales Alenia Space as technology partner through this landmark initiative. Pixxel has bagged a new contract from NASA to provide the space agency and the US government with hyperspectral Earth observation data. In a statement, Pixxel said it has been awarded the contract under NASA's $476 million commercial smallsat data acquisition program. The contract will be valid until November 28. In June, Pixxel inked a deal with the Ministry of Defense to manufacture miniaturized multi-payload satellites for the Air Force. It was founded in 2018 and is building a constellation of hypersectoral Earth imaging satellites to detect, monitor, and predict critical global phenomena across sectors such as agriculture, mining, and environment. Indian Navy launched the fourth and fifth ships of the eighth anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft project named Malpe and Mulki. Being built at the Cochin shipyard in Kerala's Kochi, the Mahe class of warships will be fitted with indigenously developed advanced underwater sensors and are envisaged to undertake anti-submarine operations in coastal waters as well as low-intensity maritime operations and mine-laying operations. The global news. General Dynamics Information Technology is acquiring Iron Eagle X, a Silicon Valley company that provides artificial intelligence, cybersecurity capabilities, and software solutions specifically designed to support special forces. GDIT, a unit of General Dynamics, said in a press release that this acquisition is a key part of the company's technology investment strategy launched last year, which includes investments in technology such as AI, cyber, software development, and quantum. The US Space Agency NASA and the military research arm of the US Department of Defense DARPA have agreed to pool their knowledge to develop and test robots for servicing geostationary satellites. These are primarily satellites that ensure communication and are used for military tasks, meteorology, and other important functions. Specifically, it is about the DARPA program Robotic Servicing of Geosynchronous Satellites. It comprises the development, integration, testing, and demonstration of a service robot that will be able to inspect, repair, and upgrade satellites in Earth's orbit. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoy the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.